Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green bean stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh green beans, trimmed and snapped, along with 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget your vegetable broth, a splash of olive oil, and your preferred herbs and spices to truly make this dish your own. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our stew. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over a medium heat. Add your chopped onion and gently sauté it for about 5 minutes until it turns beautifully translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more, allowing its wonderful aroma to fill your kitchen. This step is crucial for a rich, deep taste. With our aromatics ready, it's time to combine the main ingredients. Add your chopped tomatoes and the fresh green beans to the pot. Then, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the beans to become perfectly tender. Almost there. Now for the finishing touches that elevate our green bean stew. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any additional herbs you love. For an extra layer of brightness, consider stirring in a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Serve this warm, comforting green bean stew as a satisfying main course or a delightful side dish. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.